Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I'm going to share with you I'm going to put together a layout using the Hummingbird stamps and thin cuts. These are out of the current catalogue, this one here. So this one, and this is the layout that I'm using as a design. I'm not doing the exact same design as that, but I'm using that as a guide. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to splatter some peacock ink all over the page. Alright, now I'm going to adhere this. This is a 10 inch by 10 inch piece of sapphire. I'm also using the current mixing papers. So is 6.5 by 9 3/4. And this piece is 3 inch by 9 3/4. Now we'll just pop this to the side, because this page I'm actually going to random stamp some stuff on this one using one of the stamps from the set. I'm going to use, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little leaf there. I'm going to use that, and I'm actually going to stamp that in mink. So I'm just going to randomly stamp these leaves. Now I'll bring this back in, and I'm going to pop this one here. Alright, so okay, now bring it in. This is smoothie. I'm using the lighter side, not the darker side. And then I've got a journaling box and another photo mat, which will go here. So before adhering this one down, I'm just going to bring in my journaling pen, and I'm going to just put like a stitched pattern all the way around. Bring that back in, and I'll just... Alright, so that's... Oh, and I'll just pop on my photo places. So far I have got that. So down here I'm going to add the embellishing and some embellishing up here, but I need to pop that to the side for a sec while we just bring in our hummingbird and the flowers. Now I have already stamped them and cut them out. Alright, now I'm going to use some watercolour pencils for this. Alright, so I've got red, green and yellow. Alright, so I'm just going to colour them all in. There we go. So I've coloured them all in. So I'll just move them out to the side and we'll bring in our layout again. Okay, so let's start placing some of these things down. So we'll probably put that one there. And this one will go, that one at the top, that one there. And then we've got this one at the top here. And we've got that one down there. And I've actually got enjoy the little things. I'm just going to dovetail that. And I've got a piece of smoothie, and I'm going to actually use the darker side this time. And we'll dovetail that piece too. And I have a piece of shimmer trim, which I'll dovetail as well. And they're all going to go so they'll all go on here. And I've got some silver thread here as well, which I will put on. All right. Shimmer trim has a plastic backing to it, a clear plastic backing. Right, so that's that little bit there done. Oh, hang on. I had another little flower and I've lost it. Oh, there it is. And we'll pop this one here. I might pop him up. Okay. Now we've got this little area up. Got this little area up here to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of sequins down here using the glue dots. There's my sequins on. So I've used the Hummingbird down here, and then I've got a big journaling box up here. And there's a few things. You could add a few more things if you wanted to. You could add another little title up here if you wanted to. But yeah, so that is the Hummingbird's layout, and I've used the watercolor pencils to add a little, you know, so there's quite a few techniques here that you can use yourself. Okay, well, I'm going to end this here. So thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Alright, have a good day. Bye.